Hey everybody, I'm gonna show how I attracted a bird into my water fountain. I put the branch right there and I put a hummingbird feeder over there. It used to be lower than that, but they don't like it low, so I change it and move it higher, and so far it works. And right now there's a white crowned sparrow back there at the bottom. Right there's a white crowned sparrow. There's a bird feeder over there, but it's not eating from there, it's eating from the ground. Anyway, I'm planting I made a raised bed for tulips, so by spring, hopefully it'll grow. And here's my bird bath. And it used to be just the water running without any rocks. I added some rocks, so the water is louder and the birds can hear the water, and so it attracts the birds. Hopefully we'll see some I've been getting a lot of house fence coming in there, so hopefully it'll take a bath so I can show it to you guys. So here's the setup. I put some rocks in it, make it bounce into the rock, so it's much louder than just water running, and it's been attracting birds. Here's my new one. I've just built another planter where the bird nest up there, and a failed water fountain, a waterfall. It was supposed to be a waterfall. Water is supposed to start coming down hard down there, but it's not working. It's sticking to the wall. It's fine. It's loud enough you can hear the water. So, and I'm gonna add more rocks. The rocks right there. This is still work in progress. Right now there's a hummingbird drinking in there. So pretty much you can stay in your own home or in the backyard, just grab a chair and enjoy the birds. Alright, that's how I attract birds into my backyard. If you like this video, alright, that's how I attract birds into my bird feeder and my bird bath. I just raised that hummingbird feeder higher. It used to be low and they didn't like it, so that's about like 4 feet, and they loved it. So getting a lot of hummingbirds drinking in there now, and my bird bath, I got house witches going in there. And the bird feeder over there, the seed one, they don't really like it for some reason. Right? So that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.